In Excel, save a workbook to OneDrive to access it from different devices and share and collaborate with others. Select File. Select Save As. Find a location. For work or school, select OneDrive, that is, company name. Or for personal files, select OneDrive, personal. Enter a file name and select Save. Now your workbook is saved to OneDrive. For Share your workbook with others, select Share button on the ribbon. Or select File, select Share, select who you want to share with from the drop-down. Enter a name or email address. Add a message and select Send. Now your workbook is shared, and you can access it from different devices and share and collaborate with others.